Now see on page number 148. See, our friend spoke to some staff, means some students like you. They went to this such kind of staff. Those are working on the road and street, and they took interview of these people. So who do cleaning jobs? Here are some of the things they told us. Means here are some question and answer given by this workers are given here. I will read and explain you. Question first: since when have you been doing this work? From me, from since means from how many years? How from how many years you are doing such kind of work? So that people are told them about 20 years since they completed their study. They are doing this work. Question 2: why do you not study further? Okay, why do you not study ahead? Why do you not study study graduate and postgraduate? So you could have got some other job, no? That people are saying you need money for studies, and even after the most of our people continue to do this kind of work. If we are educated, then also we have to do this work, because we are people in same community. Means what we will see next question: what do you mean? Since our great grandfathers times, they are saying their forefather, means since their great grandfathers time, even before that, most people are of community have been doing this work. Even after getting a college degree, our people do not get any other kind of job. So how do this to do this work? Means people are educated in their community, but even they are taking enough education, they are not they are not getting a job, because they are belonging from this community. They are cleaning the dirty places from their forefather, from their great forefather, and before that also. So they are belonging in same community. That's why other people, other organization are not giving them such kind of job, or others job, because people of thinking in people are thinking these people are working for these people is only for this thing, only for doing such kind of job. That's why they are not getting job, because of people thinking. So that student asks, why is that so? So that is why it is. In the entire city, all people who do this kind of work are from our community. Those ever doing the work, no, such kind of work, they are belonging in same community. It has always been so. So that's why they are not getting job, because they are belonging from low community. Means they are belonging below poverty as well, and people are thinking they are not they are these people are not clean and hygiene, and these people are belonging from low caste. That's why they are not getting jobs, and they are not getting respect in the social life from the people. These people are feeling like untouchability, because people are not touching them, people are not offering them food and water by hand. Okay, so they are others people are thinking in social, they are in the others people are thinking they are not, these people are not belonging from good community. These people are belonging low caste. That's why these people of this cleaner, this worker are not getting equal treatment from society. Now see, talk with such kind of people who do the cleaning job around you and your house and school. Now since when have they been doing this work? They have been doing this work since 10 and 50 years. How much have they studied? Majority of them have not studied beyond classes. Have they tried to look for some other work? Yes, the elders in their family also do this work. Next question is, did the elders in their family also do this work? Yes, the elder in their family also do this work. Next question is, what kind of difficulty do they face in doing this work? So what kind of difficulty do they face doing this work? They are cleaning lots of dirty area. They face many difficulty while doing this work. They have to bear the foul smell. The foul smell often result in nausea and headache. Their job is considered as dirty job, hence they are looked down upon by other people. Such kind of things they are facing when they are doing this kind of job.